Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra and welcome back to another video. So today's video was actually requested and I'm sorry that it took me so long, but I'm here now, so that's something. So the video that was requested was a review of the Kiko Milano 05 foundation brush, which I've got right here. And I'm not only going to be reviewing it, but to give it more of a comparison, I'm going to compare it to my very go-to brush, which is an oval brush dupe that I've got right here. I've got it from a local store and is by Park Avenue Professional by D. So I'm going to be applying foundation on the right side of my face with the Kiko Milano brush and on the left side of my face with my go-to brush. This is just a brush that I've been using for quite a while and I just keep going back to it. So we'll see how it compares. I've already prepped my face with just my skincare. I've put on some primer, so I've got my foundation right here and let's get into it. The foundation that I'll be using is the Naked Skin foundation by Urban Decay in the shade 6.5, which is just the foundation that I use for a more day-to-day look. So I'm going to put some foundation on the back of my hands and I'm going to go in with the foundation brush. So I'm applying my foundation in circular motions. So this colour is a bit more of a summer shade for me normally, so yeah, you could definitely tell the difference. Okay, so I've just finished up this side of my face, and from what I can see right now, it didn't really need a lot of product, and there isn't too much product. I think that it just was that got into the brush. So it went fairly quickly. I think it cost me about 2 minutes or something, maybe even less, to just blend all of this out. So I'm gonna be applying the foundation with the other brush on the other side of my face now. Okay, so I think I just done the other side of my face. Okay, so my thoughts on these two brushes. So I find the Kiko Milano brush quite good. It doesn't really need too much product or anything. It doesn't really soak up the product as much, I think, as the oval tube does. But it's round, and that gives me two problems with this brush. Is that I can't really blend my foundation very well in the inner corner of my eye because it's round and I want to use circular motions, so I can't really do that very well. And you know, there's the angle between the inner corner of my eye and, well, underneath my eye and my nose, so it's quite hard to do that, I find. And because I've got quite a small forehead and my hairline and my eyebrows are quite close together, and this is a round brush, I can't really go here without either smearing product in my hairline or my eyebrows. And I chose my eyebrows now because that's the easiest thing to clean up, but still. However, if you don't have such a small forehead as I have, and you don't really have a problem with blending this out, I think it's quite a good brush. It doesn't really leave streaks or anything, and it doesn't need too much product, like I already said, and it gives quite a nice coverage. So I like it for the rest. But those are just the two things that I found were a bit, tricky. Whereas with this brush, I just, have a smaller side that I can use just the top to blend that out and not get product in my hairline or my eyebrows, and being able to just get into those creases a lot better than the Kiko Milano brush. So those are my thoughts on those two brushes, specifically the Kiko brush, but I do think that it is quite high quality. The bristles also feel very sturdy, soft, and just not like it's going to break anytime soon. I've washed it a couple of times already and it hasn't really got much damage of it. For that, I would actually recommend it if you don't have problems with blending out, underneath your eye or above your eyebrows. I would recommend it. So those are my thoughts on these brushes. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to see, when I upload again. If you have any questions, remarks, or requests, leave them down below in the comments section. Again, I'm very sorry for the long time that it took to make this video, but I'm here now. So I hope it's something, and I hope it was useful. So I hope I see you guys next time. Bye!